Konnichiwa, senpai! Kichi will show you how to buy Kichi Coin. Set up your Trust Wallet app. Buy BNB using Binance or other exchanges. Select Receive under BNB in Trust Wallet. The BNB address should start with BNB. Withdraw BNB from the exchange and paste the receive address. You should receive BNB within 5 minutes. Now, click on BNB in Trust Wallet and then click More. Swap to Smart Chain. We recommend leaving 0.01 behind for any future transfers. Proceed to DApps. Using Trust Wallet, click pancakeswap and then connect. If you are using an iPhone, click on the link below to view the steps on our website. The process will be a bit different. Click Select a currency and then paste the Kichi Coin contract address. Kichi will now be added. Click on the slider icon and adjust the slippage to 5%. Click Max or enter your desired amount of BNB. Add 0.000 to the end of the amount of Kichi Coin you're buying. Click Swap and then confirm the transaction. Congratulations and welcome to the Kichi family! Now, Kichi will study hard and bring all of us good fortune.